Hey guys, welcome to the 40 Days of Pours. Today is day number 10, and here is yesterday's dried result. You can't really see the silver on that side, but you can definitely see the gold on that one. Today we are going to be doing a feather string pull, and this is my first attempt, so I apologize if I don't do it that well. This is going to be a little trial for me. Okay, and for what I'm going to do for colors is I'm going to layer them into these cups because I want kind of an abstract string pull. I could just layer the colors right onto the string, but I kind of want to do a pour on top of them. Want to make sure the string is covered in the paint. You're going to place it how you want it to go and pull away from you. Okay, I suck. Dude, I suck so bad. That's terrible. That's so bad. Try to pull not so far. So much better on that side. And then you just pull the string through the middle. So you get the feather look. So I think I'm going to retry it and hopefully get a smaller feather on this side. Real quick. I'm actually just going to re-pour over this one. So try to cover this back up. And I don't care if I'll have like a murky background, that'll be okay. But you don't want too much paint on your canvas because you don't want the paint to sink in when you put the string down. Alright, so I'm gonna use this string over here, but I did get some black on it. Whatever. Actually, that'll be fine. And we'll see how this goes. Alright. Ah, much better. I like that a lot. Now we just gotta go down the middle. And there you go. feather pour. It's pretty easy, might take a couple tries, but if I can do this on my second try, I really like how it looks. I think you guys can get it. All right, I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, and here is our close-up. I love this. I love how simple it is. I think that with more practice, I would really love doing a lot more of these feathers. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will be back with the dried result tomorrow.